Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a YouTube video upload. If you're new to Guide Infinity, if you could go down below and hit the subscribe button, and then once you've done that, if you could hit the like button, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is just click onto the create button in the top right hand corner. Then click onto upload video to bring up the upload video screen. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and drag and drop your video, or alternatively click the blue select files button and choose your video. Once you've gone ahead and done that, what you're going to want to do is go and fill in the rest of the fields, like for example the description, if you want to add your thumbnail, and of course add it to the relevant playlist. Now once you've done that, you come to the bottom right hand corner and press next, and then you'll be taken to a different page which is about different elements you can add to your video, like adding an end screen, and that's your call. I'm just sort of going to go ahead and press the next blue next button, and then you're going to get to this check screen. So this is where it's going to check for any copyright problems or any ad suitability, things like that. And then finally, you're just going to want to press next again in the bottom right hand corner, and it's going to take you across to another screen. So in this section, you can choose if you want to make your videos public or keep them private. Now, if you look in this second section, there's actually a schedule down here. So what you can do is come to the right and you've got this little arrow where it says click to expand. So if you click onto this, you can actually choose when you would like to make your video public. So as you can see, you can set the date in this section here, and you can choose the exact time that you want your video to go public. Once that's done, all you need to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press the schedule button. Our video is scheduled to go public on February the 13th at 1 AM. Of course, it's going to be different for you depending on the date and time that you've chosen to schedule your video. And then you'll be able to see your video is sat here waiting to go live on the date that you have scheduled. So that's it, guys. That is the video on how to go ahead and schedule a YouTube video upload. Thank you so much for watching. We really do appreciate it so much. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, we really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys in the next one.